If you're looking for that fast food fix without the carbs, then you're going to love my keto version of the famous sausage and egg muffin.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start with, we're going to make the keto bread. Now this is done in the microwave and only takes a few minutes to do. So firstly, into a jug or bowl, add in the almond flour, the psyllium husk powder, and the baking powder. Also season with a pinch of salt and mix everything well until combined, and then add the softened butter, crack the egg straight in, and mix the dry and wet ingredients really well until smooth like a cake batter. Now, what you want to do is grease a ramekin with butter and then add in the mixture, smoothing out all the sides, and just tap down the ramekin to avoid any large air pockets. Place into the microwave on high for 90 seconds, and when you bring it out, it will have shrunk in from the sides and risen slightly. Carefully remove the muffin and leave aside. Now, in the same size ramekin that you used for the bread, grease the outside with butter and crack eggs into it and gently break up the yolks. You don't want to completely whisk them, just enough to break the yolk slightly. Microwave the eggs on medium for 60 to 90 seconds, and again, it will shrink away from the sides and can be easily removed. For the sausage, into a bowl, add in ground pork, season with dried rosemary, ground sage, chili powder, and finally with salt and pepper. Mix gently with a fork, don't over mix, otherwise it will become tough and dry when we cook them. Roll it into balls and then shape into patties the size of the ramekins. Now into a non-stick pan over a medium to high heat, add in olive oil and the sausage patty. Now cook the sausage patty for 3 minutes each side. You're after a nice crust on the outside, but juicy and tender in the middle. Remove the patty and leave to rest for 1 minute. To assemble, into the non-stick pan, cut the bread in half and toast the muffin. Then place on the sausage patty, the egg with a slice of cheese on top, and then the other half of the muffin, and serve immediately. It makes for a great breakfast and perfect for those craving fast food but following a low-carb keto diet. As always, you can grab the full ingredients list and measurements on my website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another recipe.